Welcome. If you use Chrome's incognito mode to browse privately on your phone, there's a simple way to add an extra layer of security. Today, you'll learn how to lock your incognito tabs automatically whenever you leave Chrome, so your private browsing stays private even if someone else picks up your device. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your phone. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it to open Chrome's privacy features. Here's where you'll find the key setting: Lock Incognito tabs when you leave Chrome. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn this switch on. Chrome may prompt you to confirm your device's authentication method, like your fingerprint, PIN, or face unlock. This step ensures that only you can unlock your incognito tabs when you return to Chrome. Once you've enabled this feature, here's what happens. Whenever you leave the Chrome app, whether you switch to another app or lock your phone, your incognito tabs will be locked automatically. When you come back, Chrome will ask you to verify your identity before you can access those tabs again. This keeps your private browsing sessions secure and hidden from anyone else who might use your phone. If you ever want to turn off this feature, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch off in the privacy and security settings. That's all it takes to protect your incognito tabs with an extra layer of security. With this setting enabled, you can browse privately and confidently, knowing your sensitive tabs are locked whenever you step away from Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to keep your browsing safe and secure.